Exciting developments are coming out of Google's DeepMind with their new AI training method called JESS, which stands for Joint Example Selection. This innovative approach promises not only faster training times but also significantly improved efficiency. Traditionally, training AI models is incredibly time-consuming and requires vast amounts of computing power. Think of it like teaching a child every subject in school individually. It's intensive and energy-consuming. For instance, systems like ChatGPT consume substantial power and water to keep their data centers cool, with energy demands comparable to Bitcoin mining. JESS changes the game by making the training process much more efficient, using up to 13 times fewer iterations and 10 times less computational power. Instead of selecting individual data points to train on, JESS evaluates groups or batches of data, choosing the best combinations that work synergistically. Imagine learning multiple languages simultaneously, where knowledge from one language aids in understanding another. That's how JESS optimizes data learning. On a technical level, JESS employs multimodal contrastive learning, which involves analyzing various types of data, such as images and text, together to identify dependencies. This method accelerates the learning process as the AI can learn from well-matched data batches more efficiently. A pre-trained reference model guides the AI towards high-quality data, further enhancing efficiency. Studies have demonstrated that using JESS can achieve the same performance as traditional methods with significantly fewer iterations and computational power. This reduction in energy consumption is a major benefit, particularly given the growing power demands of AI. For context, AI workloads consumed about 4.3 gigawatt-hours in 2023, nearly equivalent to the annual power consumption of Cyprus, and this trend is expected to rise. However, the effectiveness of JESS heavily depends on the quality of the training data. The method uses a technique called data quality bootstrapping, which requires a highly curated initial dataset to train on larger, messier datasets effectively. While promising for large-scale, well-funded AI projects, this could pose challenges for smaller developers who may lack the resources for high-grade training data. If widely implemented, JESS could revolutionize AI model training by reducing costs and power consumption while speeding up development. For example, testing on the WebLI dataset, a large-scale collection of web images and text, showed remarkable improvements in both learning speed and resource efficiency. Meanwhile, at a major AI conference in China, companies like SenseTime and Alibaba are making significant strides with their large language models, LLMs. SenseTime's CEO highlighted their new Sense Nova LLMs, claiming the latest version is 30% better than its predecessor and even outperforms GPT-4 in several metrics. Despite these claims, SenseTime's stock price dropped 16% on the same day. Alibaba's cloud division boasted millions of new downloads for their AI platform and emphasized their model's open-source nature, making their technology more accessible and competitive with Western counterparts. An AI startup CEO predicted that in the future, only a handful of companies would dominate the LLM space globally, potentially including Chinese firms. At the conference, SenseTime also showcased their multimodal model called 5, which integrates different data types into a seamless experience. During a live demo, the model accurately identified the event details from a video of a staff member, demonstrating advanced multimodal AI capabilities. In summary, the AI landscape is rapidly evolving, with significant advancements and bold claims from major players, especially in China. Whether these new methods and models will live up to their potential remains to be seen, but the pursuit of AI supremacy continues to drive innovation and competition in the field. For more insights and updates on AI developments, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.